We'll just call it like it is. Earnings season is firmly underway now. Yesterday's Citigroup, Domino's, we've had BlackRock, JP Morgan Chase, and today some more of the big banks came out with their earnings. I was waiting for somebody to do something fantastic. The Citigroup earnings call wasn't the greatest. And then the JP Morgan Chase one, I liked some of the numbers, but again, some of the numbers didn't really do a whole lot for me. Somebody needs to stimulate me. I want to be wowed. Can you wow me? It's a Friday, honestly. I've been here all week. Please, just a little pizzazz. Just for me, can you do that? I'm Cody. This is Wall Street Breakdown. And today, Bank of America announced their quarterly earnings. There's a little bit of wow in this. I'm fairly impressed. Earnings per share of 48 cents beat the street by 3 cents, but that's up 17% year over year. Their revenues are $21.84 billion. That missed by $140 million, but $140 million miss on $21.84 billion could easily be accounting. We're not gonna say yay or nay on that. Let me get into the further statistics, but those revs are still up 0.9% year over year. So while revenues aren't up astronomically year over year, the EPS up 17% year over year. That's already getting us started on a good foot. Net income of $5.6 billion, up 13%. Net interest income up 9%. Non-interest income down 3%. Consumer banking overall up 15%, with deposits being up 9%, loans being up 8%. Digital sales for Bank of America now make up 22% of all consumer banking at the Bank of America, with mobile usage up 19%. Global wealth and investments up 10%, and global banking and net income is up 13%. Bank of America, let's face facts. We wanted a good earnings call from a bank. I wanted a good earnings call from a bank. There's no two ways around it, right? I want to hear that these banks, despite trading desks not being overtly optimal right now, and we understand that, right? Like, not everybody's making a whole lot of moves because the market doesn't need to move a whole lot. But Bank of America and a whole lot of other divisions really seems to be driving the numbers up. Those consumer banking numbers are fantastic, because what that means is that people are not only using the Bank of America digital platforms, but they're coming into the bank. They're coming into the bank signing up to use Bank of America as their retail banker. They're doing all the stuff on their phones, their computers. So they're giving Bank of America a whole lot of business. And Bank of America's got deposits up, loans up. Their EPS up 17% year over year. I thought the JP Morgan call was really good yesterday. Obviously, the Bank of America and JP Morgan Chase are kind of different banks. They do focus on some different things. Bank of America is much, much more a retail established bank, where JP Morgan touches into a lot of other stuff. Bank of America does, but it doesn't do it near on the same scale. But this, I thought, was a marvelous earnings call, a great way to close out the week and to go into the weekend. Bank of America beats on earnings, misses slightly on revenues, but in a lot of categories is just killing it. This was a great earnings call. If you're thinking about doing any kind of investing, please speak to your licensed professional financial advisor. Do not take advice from a man wearing sunglasses in a broom closet on a Friday afternoon. That is not how you invest your money properly. But doing your proper due diligence and getting all the information and then making a good, smart choice based on how you want your portfolio to be built, that's a good way for you to do it. I respect that. Go out and do the work. That's what I do. I'm Cody from Wall Street Breakdown. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, thumbs up for this video, thumbs up for all the videos, and leave me a comment. Let me know so far what you think about the banks that have reported earnings. Who's reported the best in your eyes? Because it's your opinion that we care about. We want to get a dialogue started with you. Let us know what you think. And have a safe and fun weekend. Thanks for stopping by.